Hello everyone, we are pleased with UN to present you today the new portable production line seated here in K2 in Brest.
The best solution between several solutions studied, which will allow us to produce the several dozen of finished goods and also integrate the thousands items of components and then ensure the quality and the performance level expected by the market.
This brand new line is sized to meet our ambition with the portable power activity in EMEA, especially in Europe, where 80% of our market is seated.
The project duration was about 10 months. We have involved 80 people internally and externally. We have prepared about 100 trucks and we have progressively started the production effective in December 2021. It was also the opportunity for us to integrate our components and supply chain into our WMS system to improve the component distribution.
The move of this new line has been organized in order to have less impact on our business in the KOHLER EMEA region by having done a large stock of product in order to cover the needs during this period.
So now the process is functional and we are switching into a continuous improvement phase which will allow us to improve our performance.
Beyond of that, this new line will give us the opportunity to deliver as much as we can our customers in Europe and in the rest of EMEA.